Solve this. You have 10 seconds. Go. Time's up. The answer is C, 16. Most people lock onto doubling. 1, 2, 4, then 11 shows up and the whole thing falls apart. The numbers were never the pattern, the gaps were. And that's what this video is about. 3 patterns, 1 method. By the end, a row of random looking numbers will basically read itself to you, so let's get into it. Here's the playbook. 3 patterns, learn them like the rules of a game. Because once you see them, you can't unsee them. Pattern 1, the constant gap. You add or subtract the same number every single time. 3, 6, 9, 12. The gap is always plus 3, or it runs backward. 20, 17, 14, 11, minus 3. Each step, find one gap, check that it holds, and you're done. Pattern 2, multiply or divide. Now you're not adding, you're scaling. 2, 4, 8, 16. Each number doubles. Times 2 every step, or it shrinks. 80, 40, 20, 10. Cut in half each time. If adding doesn't fit, try multiplying. Pattern 3, the changing gap. This is the one that trips people up. The gap itself grows. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. The jumps are plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. The numbers look random, but the gaps are a clean little staircase. Always check the gaps before you give up. Now here's the method that cracks all 3. The gap method. Step 1, write the gap between each pair of numbers. Step 2, find the rule in those gaps. Same number, constant, growing, changing gap. Step 3, apply that rule to get the next number. Gaps first. Every time, one more weapon for when the gaps look like nonsense. Try 2 things. First, divide instead of add. Second, split the row in half and read every other number. A lot of impossible looking series are just 2 simple series taking turns. Now back to our opening question. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Write the gaps 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next gap is 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. The answer was C all along. No guessing, just gaps. Before you go, 3 mistakes that quietly cost people points. Let's make sure they don't cost you. Mistake 1, trusting the first gap. You see one jump and you lock in the pattern, then the next number breaks it. Check at least 3 gaps before you commit to a rule. Mistake 2, missing a hidden second series. If the numbers jump up and down with no clean rule, it's usually 2 series taking turns. Read every other number and they snap into place. Mistake 3, camping on one question. You've got about 14 seconds each. Stuck, make your best guess and move on. The Wonderlic rewards the whole test, not one hero question, so that's 3 number patterns. And the gap method to find them. But number series is just one game on the board. The full playbook, every section, every shortcut is the Quick Pass Wonderlic prep course. The link's in the description. Train the patterns and walk in knowing every game on the board.